There is a scandal, I say. There is a scandal in Saudi Arabia. That also at their beauty pageant. Now they do this every year. There is something called the Camel Beauty Pageant. It's part of the Camel Festival. This happens all over the country. It happens all over the Middle East. But the big one, it happened a few days ago. This is outskirts of Riyadh in the desert. Now, look, this is a really big deal, okay? Camels, ship of the desert, form a big part of Middle Eastern culture and all of that. So there is a festival. It's a month-long festival. It's not just the beauty pageant. There's also races. There's also breeders getting together. There's also sales, transactions. It's a multi-million-dollar business.
And by the way, camels, and camels are very, it's prestigious to own camels. And the better your camel, you're a better breeder. And they're very expensive. They're really, really expensive. And the beauty pageant is actually, it's like a fun thing that they do at this festival. It's not all about the beauty pageant, but my God, what a fun bit it is.
Okay, you must know, as much as it is fun, there's also a lot of money at stake. We're talking prize money to the tune of $75 million. Okay, so there's a bunch of stuff at stake. So beauty pageants have been happening. What they've discovered this year is that because they've got better and more specialized technology now, they can detect this. There are breeders who have been using hormones to enhance the muscles of camels. They have been using Botox to enhance their features. Now, what is the camel beauty pageant? What are they judged on?
Yeah, exactly. What are the features that you would judge on? So it's the lips, it's the head, it's the hump, it's the legs, it's the whole body, and also the dress. Now, dress, yes, you can buy a very cool sort of, cape for the camel. Yeah, but bottom line, a camel is a camel and it'll look the way it was, born. But no. So would you... Botox where, Jaggu? Like Botox on a camel where? Because all camels anyway have like big pouty mouths.
So they do, right? Yeah. But to be a winner, you have to be poutier than the others. That's the whole point of it. So here's the thing. Authorities discovered dozens of breeders had stretched out the lips and noses of camels, used hormones to enhance muscles, injected heads and lips with Botox to make them bigger, and this I can't understand, inflated body parts with rubber bands, and used fillers to relax their faces. First of all, this is animal cruelty.
It is totally animal cruelty. Yeah.
Secondly, it's just absurd. I'm not sure what they're thinking. But there's money at stake, so who knows? These things can go anywhere. It's bananas how they're doing this, but they're being found out. They're being banned, suspended.
I have a question.
I don't know.
I have a question. Did the need for plastic surgery for camels come first, and hence now vets are doing this? Or did plastic surgeons say, human beings are now boring? How many noses can I fix?
Yes.
How many jaws can I change? Let me work my magic on animals. What do you think came first?
I'm thinking somebody got up and said, I need a new challenge. That's right. Bigger lips, bigger nose, bigger hump, bigger muscles, bigger body. Camels is the way to go. And then he sold the proposition. I'm assuming, I'm running with it. It's just absurd at many levels.
It is indeed. Anyway, in the comments, please let us know. If you think a camel is actually beautiful. Obviously, we know you do not believe in plastic surgery for animals. So that is not the question. But what animal, in your opinion, is the most beautiful? Like if there were an animal, like across species beauty pageant, which animal do you think would win? Let us know in the comments. While you're at it, like the video. Please subscribe, turn that bell icon on, share with fellow like-minded people. It would really, really help us. And of course, take care of yourselves. We are Jaggu and Tarana. Thank you for watching.